33. The Allies. This is a Madani Surah revealed sometime in the 5th year of Hijrah. It has 73 verses in 9 sections. The surah deals with a number of social and political issues. It talks about the practice of child adoption, some marriage customs, Battle of Ahzab, and Bani Qurayza, social issues related to hijab of Muslim women. It also talks about the hypocrites and their conduct in the society. Introduction to the sections. Number 1. The custom of adoption and Islamic instructions about it. Prophet, peace be upon him, is dearer to the believers than their own selves. Number 2. The battle of Ahzab and the way of the hypocrites. Number 3. The excellent role model of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Number 4. The household of the Prophet, his pious wives. Number 5. Allah's rewards for the believing men and women. Prophet's marriage with Zainab, the finality of the prophethood. Number 6. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, is sent as a witness, a bearer of glad tidings and shining lamp. The marriages of the Prophet, certain privileges and restrictions. Number 7. Rules of conduct in domestic relations. Number 8. Rules of hijab, warnings to the hypocrites, the last hour. Number 9. Believers must speak right. The burden of trust assumed by the human being.